What's going on, guys? It's only going to be a short video, but I just wanted to get a video of my new exhaust. Well, not new exhaust, the owner gave it to me when I bought the car, but unfortunately I didn't get a installation video, but you can hear it burbling. It does sound very nice. But yeah, it's a catback but without a back box. I don't know the company, but yeah, it does sound very, very nice. And it's not extremely loud, but I'll get a clip here. Yeah, the exhaust is nice and warmed up and it pops and burbles enough, and yeah,